So hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to a bank account in Nepal, step by step guide. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first of all, you have to launch the Revolut app on your phone, and if you're using a PC or laptop, you can visit their official site. This one, just tap onto it, or you just can simply search revolut.com like this, revolut.com, and it will redirect you to their official website, as you can see. Then tap on accept all cookies. Now you have to log in or sign up to Revolut official site, and from there you will have to tap on payments at the bottom. You can find the option payments at the bottom right here. You have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner here, and then from the menu you have to select send international. So first of all, you have to log in using your phone number, or you can also log in using your Gmail account. So after login, follow the prompts I mentioned you earlier. Then you have to enter the amount you want to send, like choose which of your Revolt balances you would like to pay with, like USDT, euro, or any other currency. For sending to a Nepalese bank account, choose bank as the delivery method. This is the most direct way to send funds. Add your recipient's full name, bank name, account number, and any other required info if prompted. Okay. Double check everything, especially the bank details, and then tap continue and confirm and send the money. That's it, the money is now on its way. Okay, so if this video helped you, please leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more easy money transfer guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.